Are you lazy like me and you threw your chicken and rice leftovers in the fridge all in one pot? Unless you think for sure you're gonna eat it for lunch and supper, don't let it sit there. Do something fun with it. Let's get these bad boys onto a cutting board. So looking at it here, it looks like I have 2.5 chicken breasts. These are pretty big and still have the rice stuck to them. Quite a bit of rice too. I got these containers here. We're gonna plate these up. All right, so it looks like I have enough for 1 dinner size portion and 2 snack size portions. Now the next thing we got to do is chop up the chicken. So I've got all the chicken sliced up and it's in pretty even pieces here, about 1/2 inch thick. And it looks like it's a little bit too much, but that's a good thing. So the next step is to put them into the containers. All right, so here we have our 3 portions ready. The dinner size with a ton of chicken, and even the snack sizes are pretty loaded with chicken as well. And it looks like we almost have a full chicken breast left over. And then we're gonna add our leftover chicken into 1 more freezer safe container here. My go-to dish for chicken like this is my favorite, instant noodles. Oh yeah. Pop those lids on and it's time to go. And next time, when you're feeling a little bit hungry and a little bit lazy, you have a go-to snack that's good to go. Toss it in the microwave and enjoy.